Hello and welcome to the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. I'm Latanza Ajay and with me is Chef David Rose.
Hello.
And we are excited to announce the second season of the Georgia Power Chef Series, of course featuring Chef David Rose. Thanks for joining us here.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to jump right in. You're my sous chef today. You do know that, right?
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, roll the sleeves up. We're going to make it happen all with the cooking advantage of all electric. Hello, Chef David Rose and Latanza Ajay from the Georgia Power. Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, glad to be here. Now, what are we making?
All right, today we are making the pork Wellington, and in traditional Wellingtons, there is the duxelle, but we're doing not classic. We're putting a riff and a spin on classic.
Oh,
so
nice.
Since it is pork, apples and sage goes well, so all that is in there. So what we have to do next right now is we're gonna go ahead and put it in the food processor and blend that.
All
You
right.
can handle that?
I think I can do that.
All right, so I'm gonna have you take that spoon right there
All right.
and just go ahead and get all that deliciousness, all the onions, all the shallots,
juice.
all the garlics, all that pan juice inside of this right here.
I'm gonna make my grandma proud.
Making grandma proud.
Paint this pan real good.
Grandma, we're gonna make you proud today. One way or another, but you're doing a great job, perfect. So I'm gonna have you push that green button right there,
Oh,
and we'll
how
get
long
to
are we gonna
blending.
do this?
Till it gets to like, pulse kind of consistency where it's minced,
All right.
kind of a paste of sorts.
All right,
yeah,
here we go.
so I'll let you know when.
Okay.
All right. And we don't wanna puree it to death, but give it a nice kind of coarse, kind of, like grits, the consistency of grits.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah, so we're about there right now. Okay, and the most important part, I'm gonna have you taste it and let me know if it needs salt or pepper. But I think we should be A-okay if my predictions are correct.
That's good.
It's good?
It wouldn't hurt to hit it with a little salt.
Little salt, okay. Little salt and pepper never hurt nobody before. Everything in moderation. All right. I'm gonna take this out here. Put it in the bowl, mix that up. Give it a quick little stir with that pinch of salt and pepper that you suggested.
Yeah.
I'm taking your advice.
Well-
I'm taking your advice.
It's gonna be a winner.
It's gonna be a winner, all right. Now try it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get a little corner.
Much better, see? Teamwork makes the dream work.
Exactly.
That's that step. Make sure you stay tuned for the Chef Series. We're gonna come back with more amazingness, more deliciousness, and making her grandma proud. Stay tuned, guys.